Two worlds of luxury, one bathed in the golden light of Miami, the other rising high above Manhattan's historic skyline. This is mansion versus luxury apartment, where elegance meets imagination. Welcome to Bay Point, Miami's most exclusive gated community. This $26 million tropical waterfront estate defines the modern Miami lifestyle, offering 85 feet of pristine water frontage, a private dock, and direct access to Biscayne Bay. Inside, grand living spaces rise to 25-foot ceilings, a sleek fireplace, a formal dining room with wine cellar, and a gourmet kitchen crafted for those who love both art and entertaining. 6 elegant bedrooms, each with private baths and walk-in closets, include a dedicated office and maid's quarters. Step outside to an infinity edge pool and jacuzzi, a summer kitchen, and ipe wood decking surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. This $25 million Manhattan masterpiece tells a different story of luxury. Built in 1860 by James T. Gilbert, this Italianate cast-iron landmark in Tribeca was once a chocolatier's warehouse, now transformed into a symbol of New York's timeless sophistication. With over 18,000 square feet above grade and soaring ceilings up to 16 feet, this property offers limitless potential, from opulent downtown residences to an exclusive private gallery or social club. Arched windows, wooden beams, and historic iron columns frame open interiors filled with light. While the rooftop reveals sweeping views of downtown, two visions of grandeur, one surrounded by water, the other suspended in the sky. Which would you call home, the calm of Miami, or the rhythm of Manhattan? Regal Design USA, where architecture becomes art.